foodies, today we're gonna do grilled sesame trout from the book Jamie Oliver 1. For this recipe, we're gonna need trout, sesame seeds, and the first step is to take out the skin, and we're gonna cut it in 3 different pieces. The skin should be as clean as this. Now we're going to take a very sharp knife, so if you need help, ask a parent, and we're going to cut the skin into long strands. Now we're going to coat it only one side with sesame seeds. Now we're going to cook our skin in a skillet, followed by our trout. We put parchment paper under our oil so that it doesn't stick to our pan. I don't recommend doing the skin crisp because it splatters and burns. You can cook it to the doneness of your choice. This is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.